Monday at Congress is all about the keynotes, and this year's star attraction was an appearance by the company that has revolutionized the TV industry, Netflix.
A number of companies are pioneering new ways of offering services to the consumers where it's unlimited video data, but it's limited to, say, 1 megabit speed. So it's a lower speed so that an operator can offer unlimited viewing. And what we've done is invest in the codecs, the video encoders, so that at a half a megabit you get incredible picture quality on a 4- and 5-inch screen. These advanced screens that we see in mobile are really supporting the innovation, and then Netflix and others continue to innovate on the video style so that you can see the great colors on the screen.
The theme of connected vehicles was a big focus on Monday's keynote program too. We heard from Uber-owned Otto, which produces self-driving trucks, and we saw Formula E with a twist.
Thank you for believing in the power of design. We're doing here something that has never been done before. This is the first autonomous race car in the world. That means it's not controlled by anybody. As soon as those wheels start moving, hands up, it's doing its own thing.
I think that one of the key enabling technologies that will help beyond just the software and the sensors is having the cars be able to talk to each other and talk to the infrastructure. If you think about it, the car is probably the largest mobile device out there.
Right.
Maybe the truck is, but the car is the second largest there. So. Regulatory is one thing that we think is really important. We want to make sure that we're working with the governments to improve safety and make sure that innovation can happen quickly so that this technology doesn't take 10 years to get rolled out.
The opening keynote program on Monday morning brought together some of the world's largest mobile operators. One of the main themes throughout the session was that of network intelligence.
Billions and billions of devices will be connected to the network. Connection will generate massive amount of information. Depending on how we leverage massive volume of data and how we merge it with artificial intelligence, network intelligence will become even more powerful.
The day the artificial intelligence surpass mankind's brain. This is the concept still not many people on the average understand yet. This burst of super intelligence is happening definitely, in my view, in the next 30 years.
We need principles to make sure that the customers understand this new customer paradigm. We need to make sure that they feel secure, that they have full access to the information that lies on the network. And we want to make sure that they feel the empowerment that the network can provide to them.
Bharti Chairman Sunil Mittal also used the opportunity to declare war for consumers.
We will be releasing a press release right away, declaring a war on roaming, at least by my company, in the 17, 18 countries that we operate in, allowing customers to have the freedom to switch on their mobile phones wherever and whenever they want. I can promise you, within my term in GSMA, roaming charges or bill shocks will be a thing of the past. I promise you that.
In days gone past, Sony Ericsson was one single company. But yesterday morning, both companies actually held press events at exactly the same time.
I think 5G is not only a buzzword anymore. It's actually increasingly becoming a reality. And we believe the total market for 5G, when you think in the broadest context, is a $1.2 trillion market in 10 years.
Let me introduce an entirely new camera system called the Motion Eye. Now, thanks to Sony's new memory stack image sensor, we have world's fastest image capture technology in the smartphone. That means you can create a video of your fast-moving moments by recording it in 960 frames per second.
So that wraps up our coverage of day one here at Mobile World Congress. Stay tuned, there is so much more to come all week.